Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and we're going to do another organization little project here. So a few weeks back, I dismantled my card kit, or my card, I guess kit, you could call it, for Christmas supplies, and I was kind of bored with it, I guess is really what was the point of that. I have another one here. This is kind of just for making general cards, and I just want to go through it with you and make sure that what's in here needs to be in here, or if I should purge anything. You know, just kind of make sure I'm happy with what's in here. This is an IKEA Felgel. I don't know what it's called. I don't know that they sell them anymore. But what's great about this one is it does hold 12 by 12 paper. It's got the different compartments, etc. I also have a binder, kind of similar to what I use for my scrapbooking, which I call a die cut sticker binder. I have one started that I would put things that I use for cards in. So we do want to flesh that out, I think. Yeah, so let's see what's in here and if we can, you know, make this a little bit more functional. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about are these paper pads that are basically a slimline sheet. They are glitter. Could I put this elsewhere with my other glitter cardstock? Yeah, probably, but I don't really have anything this size, and these are perfect for making slimline cards, so I think I am going to keep these in the bin. I also have this Altenew glitter cardstock as well, so that's just going to fit, and it fits quite perfectly in one of the pockets in the organization tool. The other thing I'm going to keep in this kit are these washi tape images from Pink Fresh. I have the dies for these, and so what I did was, that comes on a big roll, and I actually rolled them all out onto cardstock so that I didn't have to do that step. But here's the thing, you guys, this is a lot. Like, this is a lot to store. It's taking up a lot of space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find the die number that relates to these. I'm going to write it on a sticky note and stick it in front. And I'm only going to keep probably like 3 or 4 of each, and the rest we're going to put in some other storage, probably in zone 4, just because I just don't see me mass producing a ton of cards with these at this point. These may be something that maybe I'll have like a die cut session at one point and may, do a giveaway or something. We'll see. Or maybe I'll throw it in with some Happy Mail. Don't know. Don't hold me to it. But I mean, it is a lot. It is a lot of the same image. So I just, there's no point in me keeping them all out. So I'm going to take, like I said, about 3 or 4 of each and keep this in the kit. I'm dealing with all the easy stuff. I also have some ribbon here. There's not a ton, and I do like them that they're on these spools to keep in the kit. I have so much ribbon, you guys. I could probably purge this, but you know what? I think we're going to give this the year and see if we use it. If we don't, then maybe we'll look at purging it at the end of 2024. This is from an Echo Park paper pad that I broke down to make cards out of. Everything is together. I've got some layering pieces, some tags, some die cuts. I am going to hold these together, or I am going to keep these together, and I think these might be a great project to make for some cards to donate to, like scrapbook.com's Cards for Kindness. So I am going to hold on to these, and the plan is going to be to make some cards this year. Yes, that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Okay, let's talk Doodlebug. I have a ton of Doodlebug cardstock, as well as their sticker sheets. It's kind of grouped together to be, to be like made for cards. Does that make sense? I've grouped similar icons, etc. together. I'm definitely holding on to these. I have a little bit of a leftover at the zoo stuff that I thought I could make cards out of. I had used these for making some albums for some storybook albums for my nieces, and some sticker sheets. We're gonna hold on to that. And then I have some photo play items that I thought also would make some cute cards. Now we do have Valentine's Day coming up here, so maybe, but I am holding onto these, and I'm going to leave them exactly as is. I have a couple Simple Stories page kits that I thought maybe I would make cards out of. To be honest, I had the card kit for this one, and it's not my favorite, so I'm going to purge that. And I also had the card kit for this one, so I think I'm going to purge that as well. So we're starting a new purge pile, you guys. This was a sticker sheet from a Paige Evans project pad. These are very thin stickers, but I thought they would make some cute cards, so I'm going to hold on to that. Same with these Jen Hadfield ones. And then now we get into some of the cardstock that I thought, you know, lend itself a little bit more to card making. The question is do I trim these down? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I should or if I should just leave them as 12 by 12. But in the meantime, let's flip through and see what's what. Apple season. I wonder why I put that in here. Interesting. I guess I thought maybe I would probably use this more for cards than scrapbooking, although there's some gorgeous paper in here. Not sure what I was thinking on that one. So I'm going to pull this out, and this one's going to go in with my regular scrapbooking supplies, because I wouldn't normally use Mente for cards, unless maybe I was thinking because of the cut-aparts. Maybe, I don't know. So that's going to go in my scrapbooking supplies. P13 Forest Tea Party. Again, gorgeous paper. But the icons themselves, I thought lent itself more to card making. Obviously, you could do scrapbook layouts with some of these other pages, but I think that's what I was leaning towards, was making cards with this. And that's actually why I bought it. So I'm going to keep this pad in here. Maybe I'll make some cards, and whatever's left over we'll make some page kits out of, maybe. We'll see. Echo Park Salutations. Again, you could use this for scrapbooking, but it is intended to be a card kit, especially with the cut-aparts and stuff. And I've got 1 and 2. Definitely sentiments that I would use for card making. Some more Echo Park. Yeah, I could see me using some of these. Now, to be honest, some of these I think would be better if I cut them out and had them ready to go as card toppers, but I don't know. I am going to purge these papers. Yeah, we're going to purge those two. I'm going to purge that one as well. And we're going to get rid of the truck. Yeah, I think actually, because I have that other paper pad that has all the flowers and stuff in there, I definitely don't think I need this. So we'll purge, yeah, we'll purge all of those. And what was left. No, I do like those ones. Let's purge that one. Just rethinking things again. Yeah. Okay, so we'll keep these. Now this puppy paper from Jelly Bean Soup is so cute. I don't really have any pets, but I think these would be easily cut out, trimmed out, and added to a card. So I think those would be cute for that. I bought this Bo Bunny paper, Willow Sage, specifically to make cards out of these. So yes, definitely keeping that. Now these ones could be used for scrapbooking layouts, but I also thought they would make some great cards. So I think I'm going to keep that in here. This was from a paper pad, a Prima paper pad. And I do think these would make good cards. So I'm going to hold on to those. Some more Jen Hadfield. And this was actually a page kit that I had put together. And I had called it a card kit. So it only makes sense that it's here. Let me flip this around. Same with this one. These were page kits that I had put together, but I said I would make cards out of them. So let's do that. And this was a whole section from a paper pad to make cards. And I think I still would at least like to try to make some before I purge those. So I got rid of a few things, not a ton. So before we tackle the miscellaneous and the stickers, I have a bunch of panels. These were, again, a washi tape roll that I rolled out onto cardstock and trimmed down to card base sizes. I had a little bit left over. I'm definitely keeping these. I think these are a lot of fun. They're great starts, you know, just plop an image on it and a sentiment and you're good to go. So definitely holding on to those. Okay, so I have some sticker sheets. Some of these are very old. I think this is like a Kane Company. But I do think they'll still make some great cards. I have some dad stickers. I don't know if I would ever say daddy and me, but best dad ever I could see me using, and maybe some of these other icons I could use for masculine cards. Here's one from mom. I bought these stickers with the lighthouse thinking I can make some masculine cards out of that. These Jen Hadfield ones, some of these I think would make great card sentiments like hello, thanks a bunch, etc. So definitely going to keep those. And then this was from LDRS, left over from my class kit, and I think some of these like sweet friend, you know, choose happy, you are very special. I think those ones kind of lend themselves to cards, and then once I'm done with that, whatever's left over I probably will purge. I'm not going to transfer these to that die cut sticker binder just because there's a lot. Once there's fewer on a sheet, then I will downsize it, if you want to think of it that way. But what I will transfer are these sentiment strips. I will definitely transfer those. And I could have swore that I had more of those somewhere else. So they're probably in one of the binders on my shelf. So that's going to go definitely in the binder. I'm also going to transfer these over. I've used up quite a bit of them. And to be honest, they just get lost in the pile. So I'm going to do that. Same with this doodle pop. I will transfer that over. Let's see, what else do we got in here? I have a bunch of these elsewhere. I think I just went through this not that long ago, and to be honest, I don't remember where I put them. The curse of reorganizing your room and not remembering where stuff ended up. But I'm going to leave these in the kit just because that will remind me that I have more. I'm not going to dismantle them and put them in the binder because they're just full sheets. Same with this one. These Jen Hadfield buttons, because of the thank yous on here, I thought they would make cute cards. Plus, I have some of that 12 by 12 paper, so we'll leave that in there. This one here with the hi and love and thanks, again, great focal points for cards. These little girls, or these young women, I thought would make cute stickers on a card. And I would never use these in a scrapbook layout that I can think of, but I think they would be fun on a card as well. And same with these other stickers. So let's see, what else do we have left? Again, these are all full packs, so I'm not going to take those out. I've got some more glitter cardstock. This was actually from the Dollar Tree, so it does not die cut very well if I remember. But we will keep that in here. And what do we have left? We have a few butterflies, and you know what? I have made some cards recently with these. I am just going to purge those. And these little critters are super cute, but I'm going to put them in a different container. And I've had these forever. I think I got them on a discount. Do they have a year on them? 2011. They have been in the purge pile and they've been out of the purge pile. So I think we're going to give them one more year. And if they're not used this year, we will dismantle. Dismantle? We will purge them. Okay, so I've added those to this folder. Just lies a little flatter, nicer container. That's all that matters, right? We like things looking neat, nice and neat. Okay, so we have some specialty paper, which is really pretty, and I have it in a page, or it came in a protective sleeve, which normally I'm not a fan of keeping, but because this is a little bit more delicate than regular cardstock, I am going to hold on to that. And then I have a bunch of leftover bits from card classes. I'm going to trim these down into standard panels. What else do we got here? We've got some extra little bits. Yeah, I'm going to trim that down. We have some images that can be used for cards, either pre-stamped or already colored in. So we definitely are going to keep those. And what do we have over here? I think these were different things that I thought maybe I would want to use for making cards. But you guys, you know what, to be honest, yeah, I'm just not feeling it. So I'm gonna purge these items. Okay, I will be back in a bit after I sort through this die cut sticker binder. Okay, so I found the other pages that I wanted to put in here, and basically these are just sentiments that I would use for cards, and I kind of have them grouped by theme, and I am using those old photo album, magnetic photo album inserts. Jennifer McGuire actually posted this, I think, on a video, and that's where I got the idea from. Time will tell if this will hold up. I don't know. You know, you may be concerned about it being too sticky. These are not that tacky. I think I'd probably be more concerned about, you know, at some point picking this up and them all falling out than them sticking. But, you know, it could very well be. Could very well be. But for my purposes, I much rather have them all laid out so I can see what I have versus flipping through it. So the first bits are sentiments, same with here, and then I've got some stickers that, again, I think I would only use for making cards. And I think that is that. I had some 8.5 by 11 cardstock in the kit that I'm going to pull out. I'm going to actually make card bases out of those. They're a nice thickness, and then those will go where my card bases live. And this is the kit the way it stands now, so it's a little less full. Nothing's overflowing. I think that looks good. I think that looks good. And again, this is designed so that if I want to make a card and I don't know where to start, or I'm not feeling inspired, I've got some supplies already pulled out, so it's just a matter of then making something from here. And of course I can always pull from the rest of my stash. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know below if you keep a kit like this to make cards or even scrapbook layouts, or if you always like to go and pull everything fresh when you get to crafting. I'd love to hear what your process is. And until next time, happy crafting and happy organizing.